What's up, y'all, man? Before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chill Will, and we post style, streetwear, and fashion content on this channel. And with saying that, man, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got an unboxing / on-foot review of the newly released Air Jordan 1 Women's Washed Pink, man. Before we get into the video, though, make sure to like this video up, comment how you feel about these shoes, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, because we are on the road to 10K. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok as well, which will be in the link tree in the description, as well as the corner of the screen. But that is enough talking. Let's get into the review. All right, y'all. So like I said, we are going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Washed Pink. Starting off with the price, these did run me for $180 plus tax, so they were $191 to be exact from the sneakers app. They came in the women's OG box. You know, everybody knows the men's Jordan 1 box is black and the women's is red, and it has the Nike on the top. As you can see, I got these in a women's, I don't know if you can see, a women's 11, which equals to a men's 9.5. So let me put that down. That's basically everything about the box and all that. So yeah, like I said, hit on these for sneakers. Shipping was really quick. Told you about the price, and now let's just get into the overall view of the shoe. The overall view of the shoe, as you can see, it is a washed pink. It gives Hyper Royal / Turbo Green vibes. This looks like the little sister of all them. So yeah, it has the little cream aged look on the bottom. As you can see, it comes with the little Nike Air tag. It does come with cream laces in the shoe already. I actually laced these up already, but it also comes with an extra pair of pink laces. I'm keeping the cream ones in because I personally like the cream ones better. The leather is really good. It's really smooth. It's like a rough suede, and I like it. It gives like that little, like, I don't know, like acid wash look, like it's a vintage type of look. I like that. The tongue, as you can see, has this peachish cream tongue with the pink Nike Air, if y'all can see. Sun's hitting off of it. There you go. Overall, really good look. The bottom is pure pink. Overall, really good shoe to the touch. If you're looking to cop these are, like I said, these are going for $180. These weren't too hard to get when they first came out. Like, I hit on sneakers easily, but when I was done hitting on sneakers, I went to see the resale price, and I was gonna go check out if I can get them from, like, you know, Hibbett Sports or any other like shoe retailer, and they didn't sell out instantly. They're sold out now, but they didn't sell out in the first like 2 hours, so you still had a chance to cop them if you wanted to. Now, last time I checked, they were going for $250 in this size, so they're not too expensive. But yeah, not too much to say about them. They're a really nice shoe overall, man. If I'm gonna keep these, yes, I will be keeping these. These are really nice. You know, I don't care if there's a woman release. I don't care if they're pink. They're really nice, so I will be keeping these in my collection. Yeah, I'm gonna try on foot for y'all. I'm not gonna try both shoes on because this is the only one I have laced up right now, and for a reason, because I'm gonna teach y'all how to lace ones in another video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure your bell, notification, all that is turned on. But yeah, with saying that, let me show you how they look. All right, y'all, so that's the end of the video. That's how they looked on my feet, man. I really hope y'all enjoyed. This is a really quick one. You know, not too much to say about them because you know, it's not like a brand sent me these. Like, it's different when a brand sent me these because I'm linking their brand, you know, letting y'all know how I feel with the price, all this type of stuff. But it's not that today. Today is just an overall review of the shoe. I really like the shoe. The colors are nice. They fit really well, you know. For ones, if you never had a pair of ones in your life, this is my first pair of ones ever. So I love ones, but I've just never really had the money to get them. So for me to actually hit on these was a big come up. And for sizing, if you never had a pair, you know, stay true to size. I wear 9.5. These are 9.5. So that's really all I gotta say. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, make sure to leave a like on it. Comment some more videos you want to see, and comment how y'all feel about the shoe. You know, comment if it's W or L, and most importantly, subscribe. Man, we're on the road to 10K. Let's hit that as fast as possible. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. That will be in the link tree in the description. And that's enough talking. I'll catch y'all in the next one.